Once, in a desolate mountainous region, hidden from the prying eyes of society, stood an ancient jail. Its decaying walls whispered tales of pain and suffering. It was within this forsaken place that a man, known only as Prisoner X, lived a life of perpetual darkness. Confined to a small cell, Prisoner X endured his sentence with solitude as his only companion. The jail, isolated from civilization, was said to hold a dark secret, whispered amongst the few guards who dared to patrol its perimeters. Night after night, as the world plunged into a deep slumber, Prisoner X found himself plagued by inexplicable horrors. Shadows danced maliciously on the cell walls, and the air grew thick with an otherworldly presence. The supernatural entity within the jail reveled in tormenting him, pushing the boundaries of his sanity. Whispers, eerie and menacing, slithered through the cracks in the walls. Invisible hands grazed his skin, sending shivers down his spine. The prisoner's nights were consumed by apparitions, grotesque and haunting, and voices that echoed his darkest fears. Desperate for respite, Prisoner X reached out to the guards, pleading for assistance, but they remained indifferent, their presence a mere facade against the malevolence that thrived within the jail. It became evident that the supernatural force manipulating his existence went unnoticed by all except its unfortunate victim. Determined to uncover the truth and free himself from the clutches of the paranormal, Prisoner X embarked on a treacherous journey. In the depths of the jail, he unearthed forgotten diaries and scraps of evidence left behind by previous prisoners who had met a similar fate. Their stories spoke of a malevolent entity that had plagued the jail for centuries, feasting on the fear and anguish of those trapped within. As Prisoner X delved deeper into the dark history of the jail, he discovered a connection between himself and the supernatural force. The secrets he unraveled revealed a lineage tied to the jail, intertwining his fate with its sinister past. Prisoner X confronted the entity, facing the embodiment of his own nightmares. With unwavering determination, he resisted its attempts to break him. As the battle raged on, a surge of inexplicable power surged through his veins. In a final act of defiance, Prisoner X banished the supernatural entity back to the shadows from whence it came. The jail, once shrouded in darkness, was bathed in a newfound light. The malevolence that had plagued it for centuries had been vanquished. Yet, the mysteries of the haunted jail remained unsolved. As Prisoner X stood amidst the ruins, a haunting question lingered in the air. Was he truly free, or had he merely scratched the surface of a deeper enigma? And so, the tale of Prisoner X and the haunted jail became etched in the annals of darkness, a testament to the enduring power of the supernatural and the resilience of the human spirit. Once upon a time, in a quaint little town in France, there lived a family of four: John, his wife Emily, and their two children, Sarah and Michael. Seeking a memorable vacation, they embarked on a journey to explore the picturesque landscapes and historical wonders of the country. Little did they know that their adventure would soon take a sinister turn. Their first stop was an ancient village nestled in the heart of the French countryside. The moment they set foot in the town, an eerie atmosphere enveloped them. The streets were eerily deserted, and the wind whispered unsettling secrets. As the family settled into their rented cottage, strange occurrences began to unfold. In the dead of night, they would hear inexplicable footsteps echoing through the hallways. Doors would creak open and shut on their own, and objects mysteriously moved from one place to another. Each family member brushed off these incidents, attributing them to their vivid imaginations or the quirks of an old house. The next evening, while exploring the village, they stumbled upon a hidden pathway leading to an abandoned mansion. Intrigued, they decided to venture inside, unaware of the horrors that awaited them. The mansion seemed frozen in time, its decaying walls echoing with whispers from the past. As nightfall descended, the family found themselves trapped within the mansion's labyrinthine corridors. Fear clung to them like a suffocating presence. Their only source of light was a flickering candle, casting eerie shadows on the peeling wallpaper. Whispers grew louder, their words indecipherable yet chilling to the bone. They heard the distant sound of a music box, its haunting melody reverberating through the mansion's vast chambers. The air grew colder, and an overwhelming sense of dread consumed them. Desperate to escape, they followed a series of cryptic clues, leading them deeper into the mansion's dark secrets. Room by room, they unraveled a tale of tragedy and malevolence, each step heightening their anxiety. Just when it seemed all hope was lost, they discovered a hidden passage, leading them to a hidden chamber. Within, they found an ancient diary, its pages filled with cryptic entries about a long-lost treasure and a curse that plagued the mansion. The diary hinted at a ritual that could break the curse. As dawn approached, the family found themselves at a crossroads. Would they risk everything to break the curse and save themselves, or succumb to the darkness that threatened to consume their souls?